a System 7 MPU and a very dirty driver board, and that'll all come off once I wash it off outside. But I got her going now, despite this catastrophe that somebody had repaired in the past, and I guess I should be easier on them. It works, so I'm not going to fiddle with it. I did add a blanking indication. That's the red LED that's turned on right now. I sometimes, when I have problems with the board, I'll start numbering all the ICs, since Williams wasn't so kind and didn't put anything on the silk screen, and this board had a bit of a problem with the socket at IC 17 was the main issue. The driver board had one blown transistor, the one with the gold stripe, up there in the special solenoid section, and I added blanking there. You can see the blanking. I've only got a 150 ohm resistor, and that one's brighter than this one up here, which I've got a 1K ohm resistor. Lamp matrix is operating normally, and the only solenoid that's turned on right now is 16, which is a coin lockout solenoid. Displays are operating per normal. So let's go into test. Working correctly. The next test is sound test. I've got this little doodad board here set up to show when each of the sound selects are grounded. Applicable only to System 7. The next test is lamp test. And you only get to test all lamps. And then the next test is solenoid test. And I have tested these, obviously, since I went back to the bench and already repaired special solenoid drive number 1. 16 goes off because that's a coin lockout. If we wait long enough, that'll come back on. Let me test these special solenoids with the switch inputs, how they're driven in the game. And those are all working correctly. The next test is switch test. And I'm going to go across the diagonal of the switch matrix, because it would help to know what game this is, so I can figure out how many buttons or how many switches would be fielded. 50 were fielded. Looks like a Jungle Lord perhaps. But I think that's good to go. So what else can we do here? Go to the next. I could go through here and set, what is it, 23? No. Setting 18 to 0. But I'm going to have to ship this back, and I cannot ship this battery back on the board, so it's not going to do any good. Somebody has already socketed the 5101, so the client has the option to easily install NVRAM if they'd like. This board set is good to go, and I thank you so much.